I'm Samantha Rain, the development chef here at Henley Bridge, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a white chocolate pastry cream using Sosa Gelcrem Hot. For all the ingredients and tools used, please refer to the video description. Gelcrem Hot is one of the thickening agents in the Sosa range. This one is primarily used for hot purees and curds. The main reason for using it within this recipe is its ability to freeze and defrost while still holding its shape. First, we need to weigh out all of our ingredients into the pan except the white chocolate. We're now going to whisk this all together to ensure it's fully combined and transfer onto the heat. The mixture is going to get much thicker, and it's at this point that we need to make sure that it's thoroughly cooked out. Now it's all cooked out, we're going to transfer it into the bowl with our chocolate, let the residual heat melt that chocolate and come back in a couple of minutes to give that a really good mix. So now our mixture is beautiful and smooth. We're going to pop a layer of cling film on the surface to prevent it getting a skin, and we're going to pop this in the fridge and let it cool down. Our mixture is now completely cold. We're going to take a spatula and we're going to beat back the mixture until it's nice and pliable again. Finally, once we get to this stage, we're going to place the mixture into a piping bag. We can either pipe directly onto our creations, or we can place it into a silicone mould and into the freezer.